एक अच्छी स्लीप लेने के बाद भी if you still feel tired and morning stiffness in your body, then this morning yoga stretching routine is so perfect for you. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो योगा प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हैं but they don't know how to start or from where to start. अगर आप भी उन्हीं लोगों में से हैं, then grab your yoga mat and start practicing with me this morning yoga flow. Hi everybody, I am Kratika, your certified yoga and stretching expert, and I have been doing this for past 7 years. So if you're new on my channel, you are at the right place. आज का ये मॉर्निंग स्ट्रेचिंग फ्लो बहुत ही एनर्जाइजिंग होने वाला है और आपको इसको एवरी डे प्रैक्टिस करना है टू फील द डिफरेंस. एंड आई प्रॉमिस यू बाय द एंड ऑफ द सेशन योर ब्लड सर्कुलेशन विल बी इम्प्रूव्ड, यू विल बी लेस स्ट्रेस, यू विल हैव अ बेटर एनर्जी फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर डे. आपकी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इंप्रूव होगी, मूड स्विंग्स अपलिफ्ट होंगे और बॉडी में जो भी टायर्डनेस और स्टिफनेस है सब कुछ चली जाएगी. बट फॉर दैट यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस दिस मॉर्निंग रूटीन एवरी सिंगल डे. सो अभी मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कर दो डे 1 वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड विद यू, एंड इस वीडियो को सेव कर लो टू प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे विद मी. विदाउट एनी डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द स्ट्रेचिंग फ्लो. Start by sitting in comfortable Vajrasana position. From here, inhale, arch your back, and while exhaling, go to relaxing child's pose and stay here for next 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now from here, gently lift your upper body, come to cat and cow stretch. It's a very gentle stretch to mobilize your spine. Let's start by 1. Exhale. Inhale 2. Exhale. Inhale 3. Exhale. Inhale 4. Exhale. One last round. Inhale 5 and exhale. That's it. Now from here, tuck your toes, lift your legs up, push your hips back and go to downward facing dog. Now whenever you're ready, gently walk forward or jump forward to Baddakonasana and try to touch your nose to your knees if your body allows. Now from here, inhale, raise your hands up and gently come to mountain posture. Now from here, inhale, gently bend your knees, come to Utkatasana, that is a chair pose, very good posture to improve your knee health. From here, exhale, go to Baddakonasana again, and while inhaling, take your right leg back to low lunge position. We also call it Anjaneyasana. Now relax your back foot completely on the mat and gently twist your body towards your left side and make a namaste. Stay here for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 last. Now gently come to the plank position. Now from here, go to low plank by moving your body slightly forward. Excellent. Now from here, inhale to upward facing dog. Make sure your thighs are away from the mat. Now from here, tuck your toes, go to downward facing dog again. And from here, take a deep relaxing breath and go to child's pose again. And stay here for next 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Now gently lift yourself again and let's do the cat and cow stretch again for 5 counts. 1 done. 2. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. One more last round. Exhale 5. That's good. Now from here, gently tuck your toes, go back to downward facing dog again. And now from here, gently walk forward or jump forward to Baddakonasana as per your body allows. Now from here, go to standing forward bend. Try to touch your nose to your knees and gently come up in mountain posture. relax your breath and come to Utkatasana by doing the chair pose. Now stay here, go back again to standing forward, bend, and this time take your left leg backward to low lunge, that is your Anjaneyasana. Back foot completely relax on the mat. Now this time gently make a twist from your upper body towards the right side and stay here for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Now gently release your twist and come to plank position, that is your high plank. Now from here push your body forward, come to low plank, Chaturanga Dandasana. Now from here transition to upward facing dog by inhaling. Excellent. Now from here exhale, tuck your toes, go to downward facing dog. Gently stretch your body and relax and go back to child's pose. Stay here for next 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.